What happens if a friendly Santa Claus suddenly turns into a sly prankster Grinch? Watch a compilation of Christmas pranks played by the best-known bearded man of the world. It's Christmas Eve. Wow, it's magic season when the best-known bearded man of the world is coming down a chimney. No, it isn't Gandalf the Grey from Lord of the Rings. Neither is it Dumbledore from Harry Potter. It's a real Santa Claus. Oh yes, Santa! Descending the chimney is kind of a workout. Will you start doing yoga? Santa Claus is at work. He's putting gifts into stockings hanging above a fireplace. Here are our main Christmas characters. A kind and nice golden-haired girl has made a snack for Santa. Good girl! And this is a blue-eyed girl. She sees milk and cookies and thinks the golden-haired one has made a snack for herself. She wants to prank her friend and put salt into the milk. Let's see what happens afterwards in this Christmas story. When his job's finished, Santa drinks his milk cocktail. Wow! What's going on? Is he lactose intolerant? Oh no! The pranking milks turned a generous Santa into a sly prankster Grinch. And now he's going to prank everyone! Firstly, he changes everything. He replaces good gifts with fake ones. The Grinch puts no candies or toys into Christmas stockings, but multicolored Orbeez. Pour water into a bowl full of Orbeez beads. Wait until they swell. It may take a few hours. You'd better keep them in water overnight. When the beads grow up, pour out the water. Put Orbeez into a felt Christmas stocking. Watch our previous videos to know how to make such a stocking. Oh, sly Grinch! Do you care about the girls' figures? And that's why you don't give them sweet gifts? Are you not as crafty as you want to seem? Bad boys and girls will get a surprise chocolate Santa Claus. The Grinch continues his evil activity. Suddenly, he hears someone coming. He hides inside a large box with Christmas decorations. He appears to be quite small to fit in the box, so he can't be seen. The girls enter the room to decorate their Christmas tree. They don't know the Grinch has spoiled all the ornaments. Don't use these balls for decorating. Inflate balloons to fit ornament size. Apply a glue coat. Sprinkle with glitter. Put on hairspray to fasten the sparkly coat. Cut off the tails and attach clips. The friends hang the ornaments on the tree. There's a bang all of a sudden. The balloons popped. What a pity. My favorite color. My favorite size. But who is it that's changed the balls? It's strange. Is it a goblin? The balloon can pop as well as change its shape. It flattens when pressed and turns into a ball shape again. The girls reach out for serpentine streamers, but they've been glued. Unwind a serpentine streamer a little. Hot glue a few coils. Put it back into the package. The girls suspect each other. We're going to watch an epic Christmas story. The golden-haired one brings a gift and bites a piece of wrapping. She seems to get really angry if she chews on the paper. Paint a piece of rice paper using red food coloring. Make it wet before wrapping around a gift to let it be flexible. Shape a candy wrapper. Stick the seams using water. Decorate it with sprinkles. Wind a ribbon around it. The blue-eyed girl can eat the wrapping as well, only she's got the real inedible paper. Oh! What's there inside the box? Someone's put in a lot of effort to pack this gift. Put on a lot of cable ties around a little cube-shaped box. How can we open it? Is there anything precious in it if it's packed so thoroughly? The girls are still getting angry with each other when suddenly... What's this? It's a ghost! They carefully come up to the box. Ah! It's a green monster! Oh,